Hey, morning, guys. Live and apologize now. I'm in an apartment and the walls are thin and my family's loud. So if you hear kids and whatnot screaming, that's what's going on. Um, just to kind of get started, let me pull up the chart. This is just a daily of NASDAQ, and you can see we went to 50% of the wick, which a lot of people would call constant encroachment. To me, it would make sense for us to bounce a bit. We had a nice sell off today, but I'm still remaining bearish on the market. We're entering October. We didn't really have a sell off in September. So for me, I expect to sell off uh, into this month, into the CPI print, if not after the CPI print. So we'll see how it goes. Did a little trade on an evaluation this morning, just on the economic news. Wouldn't trade it with real money, so you didn't miss anything. But yeah, I'm going to just try to keep it simple today. Nothing crazy. Um, let's see here. Where's my report? Just going to be using this as my um, trade. So I will be trading between these gray bars. This is kind of proprietary levels that I developed. And you can see here today in the overnight, I have a level of 20,010.50, and the high was 20,010.75, and then the very next minute it was 20,010.25. So literally take the average of those two bars and it's dead on my level. So, you know, if I ever considered selling these levels, it's a possibility, but we're just going to use them for scalping. And I'll be scalping, if I feel momentum, I'll trade from this level to this level on the downside or this level down to this level and vice versa. And then the other thing you're seeing are these are just bars: 1 minute bar, 5 minute bar, 15, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. Sorry, um, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour daily. It just helps me kind of see the range without having to look at another chart. So you can see right now, the 5, the 15, 30, and the 1 hour are all exactly the same. So, um, other than that, yeah, we're just going to be trading the 20 accounts. Be trading one mini with a goal of 5 points and a stop of 10 points, possibly a little different depending on how volatile the open is. I'll put a 1 minute candle in there so we can keep an idea of what the range is. Let me know if you guys got any questions. And yeah, we'll hopefully make a couple good trades here this morning and be done early. That would be ideal. So I will drop on mute if I've got any loud distractions if I can. Really, just looking at yesterday's bar on the daily, um, you know, you could say something like that. And then we can do, let's see, we got the open, 240 quarter. And we got the close, 1962. So that might be like an upside target. So right around there, that looks pretty fair. So definitely, I think a little bit more room to the upside, and then I still like us heading lower. So let's just do one more level here. It's got a couple levels above, a couple levels below, and then again, I'll be primarily trading. So I just want to see. Um, so this level was 2018, and there's 800. So let's just go back to here. Kind of in that range, and to the downside. 794, 11.6. So just keep an eye on those. 20 minutes to launch. I don't think I need to come on this early, so I'll probably start coming on about maybe 15 minutes before, just to give you guys a quick review. But overnight range. There's definitely some sell side down here in the overnight, so we can mark that off, which we've already done. I'm just looking at yesterday. There's a sell-off from Friday. And we have yesterday's nice bounce, so definitely could see us kind of moving higher here for a bit. Kind of relative equal highs up in here. So almost to the upside and downside. So let's see what we get. Normally don't trade the first 15 minutes of the day, but just with yesterday's sell-off and my thought that we continue to sell off, I am open to the idea of doing that again, especially because I'd like to get out of here a little earlier today. I've got a meeting at 9 a.m. Mountain that I have to be ready for. But just looking at the charts to the upside again, that is the only one that interests me. And I'd like to see continued weakness out of Restoration Hardware. So upside I will be playing Meta, downside I'll be playing Restoration Hardware. Oh, no personal information there, my bad. Is that right? Things look good to the downside here, but we'll see. Kind of had a 7 a.m. spike there from, there's a liquidity injection at 7 a.m. So I always try to note, which way is the liquidity going? Are we engineering moves to the upside or downside? And it looks like people are kind of taking some money off the table with everything going on in Middle East. We shall see. Let's go back and look at the daily again. All right, I'm going to have to mute. I said, especially with all my viewers. I can just show you guys. Let's see here. So here's my evaluation trades today. And a new Apex up 702. I just kind of piled on with the economic news you can see here. And caught some to the upside too then. But really I was looking short. And if you look from where I wanted to short before the news, but was able to kind of layer in some additional shorts once I saw that we kind of started at the top. And then took profit and then played to the upside here. So hopefully we get a couple good trades here in the morning and we can call it, but here we go. Looks like we should take this sell side now. 10 minutes to the open. If yesterday is any indication, we might take it. Might take it first thing in the morning. So if I wanted to come up with like a low target, you've got the low from yesterday. You've got the gap down here. Got upside. This downside looks pretty smooth. That looks really a little too smooth. What do I got? That's around 880. Let's make sure I got that on my chart. There's my 880. That's really smooth. So we start heading down here. I'd really like to make a play down to this. Looks like we're going to go tag this initial sell side, so maybe we can get some buy side pop. So maybe should have played that short early now. I'm just going to drop to mute. My family's right outside my door right now, so so just to confirm, based on my recap, I went off stream and I was down. Let me share that with you guys. First, I gotta find my mouse. Did my mouse die? Oh, looks like my mouse died. Let me see if I can't charge that up for a little bit. All right. Count so we can see started day 2 where we're at. Bring it over for you guys so we can see we're up. As the recap was able to kind of fight my way back. Do not want to be on that type of a bender today, so slow and steady is going to hopefully win this race. There we've hit those lows, so we can take that one off. And kind of right at my level, we got the bounce, but I don't feel confident until we tag my level, so I would think we should come back a little bit here. I think that was just hitting that level, so we'll see. I might jump in early if I see some selling today. Try to capture my 5 points quick. Less than 4 minutes to the open. Let me know in the chat if you guys want to hear like some sort of music to drown out the quietness at the beginning. And let me know what else you guys would want me to cover pre-market. So as I said, I'd like to see us tag my level. couple more minutes here. We should be looking at some trades. Looks like the kind of a key level right in here. I'm just going to mark that off. If you look, good bounce, bounce, back here, bounce. So maybe if we get below it, come up to it, I can take a short there. But this just feels heavy. I might take a short right away in the morning. Just I don't believe this upside is legit. All right, 1 minute. Let's go. Scalping. Everything's ready to go. Make sure your orders are all in. And yeah, let's go. Good luck to everyone trading today. Remember, this is just educational. I will have my disclosures in the description, but this is just educational. Do not take this as a signal service, or if you're trading, do not follow me. I'm not guaranteed to win. And if you can't trade and make decisions on your own, what's going to happen if I'm gone? If I'm dead? You got to learn how to trade yourself and set your own trades up. So we shall see. Let's keep it simple. There we go. This is what I was kind of expecting. I'd like to take a short below 21, although I don't like the 20s. Try to ride this out a little bit. Okay. First is a loser. A little too tight of a stop. All right, got that one back. Oh, we're in trades. There we go. So, lost first one, won the second, so I'm down. So we're aware. Don't like trading in the morning, first 15 minutes, but I feel like we're headed down again, and I don't want to miss it today. Big candle up. Feels like we're engineering some more liquidity down here. Very big move up. So far Judah's swing down, or a fake out lower. Let's see here, tag my level. Let's see what we want to do. It's still very, very high here. We got an average bar size of almost 30, so I really need to be careful. Consider taking bigger move. But we got plenty of room to the upside and downside. I just don't want to diddle in the middle here. Pull up a 1 minute quick. Got a really nice bar up here. Let's see what we can do. Might take this long if we get back above 55. Don't really like the low until we get back below 20. Finger on the trigger to the long side. Real choppy to start. Still a hand on the buy. Kind of towards 60. Move into the sell. Did you risk this trade? I think, oh, there it was. Right to my level. Can't make that up. 2 1/4, my level 2 1/4 on the precision. That is now gone. So we got more to the downside. That was precision bounce. I usually would see continuation though. That's a loser, but I'm going to take one more here. I think we're headed down. Okay, so we've had 2 losers, 2 winners, down $200. Take one more. There we go, another winner. So 3-2, down $100. Here we go. Need to be ready for the next two. Just to precision. When I see a perfect bounce off my level, I usually think we're headed lower. It's just too calculated. Now we've got a little sweep below, so we'll stay a little biased to the downside. I need to change my settings and basically double this. So go for 10 points and 20 point stop. Here we go. I'm going to look to short in here. We're going to take profit around the 880. There we go. Wish I did that with real money, but valuation nevertheless. Right to that next target. As we've noted, I wanted to go lower, and we're headed lower. So I'm glad I'm taking trades. I'll just try to catch a couple more moves here. But that was a level to the downside, so let's see if we get reaction now. Put in the low of the day. Another precision bounce, so I'm going to go with a higher move here. Nope. Need to get out. We're headed lower. Big loss there for me. I don't know what I was thinking. I saw the had to get out when I should have had my 5 points once we moved above. Now we got a nice double bottom here. Let's see what we can catch. Don't know when I was playing to the long. Shorts my trade, and here I am trying to take longs again. Let's go back to my daily chart here quick. Went right through the constant encroachment, so next level's 1818. Okay, looking for a short. I was able to get about 100 back. Still down about 400. Still with the play to 30, 33. Ugh. Um, 33 and a half, so I took some off. Uh, it's just close enough for me. Still like the short. Nice bounce so far. The bounce is happening now. That looks pretty good. See where we want to go. If we can get above the 30s, I like it to the 40s. All right, a little update. Not looking good so far, but still plenty of time in the day. Down about 400 in each account, which is not good at all, but it's only one or two trades away from being back positive, and hopefully we can get to the upside today. Feeling a little aggressive, but let's hopefully continue this. Let's see if we can get back above the 20s now. This would be a really nice trade. I'm going to take this. I like the sell. If it's going to go, it's got to go now. Not looking good. About to get stopped out. Stopped out. Doing terrible. About to lose these accounts. I have to change my stop, tighten it up. Again, playing to the downside is what I should be doing, and I'm playing to the upside for some stupid fucking reason. Quite the hole. I don't even know if I can dig out of this shit. One trade at a time. Let's see what we can do. I'm going long. Okay, quick winner. I'll take it. I need that. Tesla's down pretty big, $15. Well, 6%. Things are looking like they're firming up, though. I still like above 30 here, probably to 40. POC's migrating higher. First close above. Let's see what we do here at the 30. taking long. Stopped out. Yep. My next trade has to be perfect. Here we go. Nope, I think I'm done for the day, boys. Yep. Stop taking fucking longs. Done for the day. Blew about every account. Peace.